How to get others to pay for college by installing an accessory dwelling unit for passive cash flow. This is Home Guru Lab. I'm David Hartman. College is extremely expensive today. You could type it in and thousands of articles will come up, if not millions, how expensive college is. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can pay for college with an accessory dwelling unit. How, you ask? By installing an accessory dwelling unit and renting it out. Rent is at an all-time high and going higher. The cheapest major West Coast city, the average one-bedroom accessory dwelling unit rents for $17.50 a month. That's a one-bedroom, $17.50 a month. Let's just do that plain math, plain and simple. So your child's 5. In 10 years, they'll be 15. Gives you a little bit of a grace buffer before they're off to college. If you rent that one bedroom out for that $17.50 a month, that's equal to $210,000 in 10 years. Yeah, $210,000 in 10 years. Why just put the money into the mattress? At a conservative 5% annual rate of return, you could turn that rental income into $272,000 in 10 years. That's a lot more. Even better, if you can fit a 2-bedroom accessory dwelling unit on your backyard, that will take you further. The average 2-bedroom accessory dwelling unit rents on the low end for $2,250 a month. But in most major cities, it easily can command over $3,000 a month. So renting out that 2-bedroom ADU puts $270,000 in your piggy jar. But if you want to go ahead and do the same math and invest it at 5%, which is pretty conservative, that means you would have $350,000 in 10 years. That's much more than just one child's college. That's more like 3 children's colleges. But wait, why stop there? Especially when you can install 2 accessory dwelling units on your home. 2? Yeah, 2. The new accessory dwelling unit laws passed in California in 2020 allow you to add 2 accessory dwelling units to your property. That would be 1 attached ADU known as a junior ADU and 1 detached ADU. We talk about junior ADUs and other types of ADUs in one of our other videos. Still not sold? Well, let's talk about the tax write-offs. Because we haven't talked about taxes. Renting out the accessory dwelling units makes it a business. So talk to your CPA and they will help you write off both the loan that you've used to build your accessory dwelling unit and the depreciation of the accessory dwelling unit too. Yeah, it helps you save on taxes. What is that I hear? You're really an entrepreneur at heart? Well, why don't we turbocharge your accessory dwelling unit income? Rent your ADU short-term as an Airbnb or VRBO. Short-term rentals make 170 to 200% of your normal expected long-term rental amount. So if you were renting for $3,000 to a long-term tenant, you could expect almost $6,000 a month short-term renting. We talk in detail about how to short-term rental your accessory dwelling unit. If that inspires you, click the link below. What did I hear you say? You don't want to deal with tenants? Don't like the idea of a stranger being in your backyard so close to your family? I understand that. Well, with appreciation year over year at 4% nationally on single-family homes, that would mean in 10 years your accessory dwelling unit would be worth 50% more. That definitely would help you pay for college. If not, pay for both kids' colleges. Need more motivation? What if I was to tell you there's some companies out there that will install the accessory dwelling unit for you, go ahead, do everything, all the plans, all the blueprints, all the cities, documentation, the works. Then they pay for it 2, then they rent it out and split the rent with you. Yeah, basically a free accessory dwelling unit that sits in your backyard that collects your rent for doing nothing. Basically, you're leasing your land to them. I'm one of those investors that do something like that. If this is something that you're interested in, click the link below to contact me or get a list of some of these companies that will do this for you. If you like what I've shared here, click the like button, maybe drop a few comments, and subscribe so you won't miss any of the important content that I have put together for you. This is Home Guru Lab, and I'm David Hartman.